Hello and welcome to NYCryptoTalk. Today's project review is on Horizen, formerly known as ZenCash, a privacy-based blockchain ecosystem looking to be the most useful privacy-based token on the market, with many upcoming features that no other platform has. This review is long overdue. I had initially planned to do this review in early summer when I had read up on the strategic partnership ZenCash, now Horizen, has with IOHK. IOHK being the academic-based technology company that is and was behind both Cardano and Ethereum Classic. The Horizen project has many things in the pipeline in regards to tech that many will find valuable. So without further ado, I will do a quick overview on the project before jumping into the tech, the industry, the competition, the roadmap, and the key milestones for the project. Only a couple of weeks ago, Horizen was ZenCash. They are calling it a brand expansion because they are not departing from the past. They are basically just building on top of what they plan to do for the future. There's a great video on YouTube. I will link it in the description below from the president and co-founder of Horizen about why they did the name change of the company and the vision for the project. So I will put that in the link below. This statement here on the website actually is the easiest way to understand why they felt for the actual name change. So the brand expansion will enable real-life uses beyond peer-to-peer transactions using the Zen cryptocurrency, such as censorship-resistant publishing, the ability to build privacy-based applications, and the ability to generate basic income through ownership of their personal data. So they're looking to build an ecosystem. They're not trying to just be a traditional transactional-based blockchain platform that most privacy tokens are. By doing this, they are looking to reinvent the wheel. They are looking to branch out to other platforms that are out there that do multiple different things. It is not just a currency-based platform. They're looking to make it an ecosystem. One of the main features that they will be looking to finish within Q4 of 2018 to Q1 of 2019 is their Treasury voting system, designed to let community members vote on issues such as resource allocation, work proposals, and many more things. By doing this, they're trying to give the network back to the community. They want this to be the most decentralized platform out there. They do have a massive secure node platform that does make it one of the most decentralized in the industry right now. They do have Supernodes, so they're trying to allow most of the users to be able to be equal owners of the platform. They also have some mentions when it comes to mining, because there were some recent changes with ASIC miners and the ability to mine the Horizen token, because companies like Bitmain are coming out with many new ASIC miners that will wind up taking over the GPU mining industry, and they don't want that to be the case. They want to be able to have everybody have equal rights for mining the token. I won't go into too many details about mining, but Horizen is actually one of the most profitable tokens to actually mine with your GPU or with an ASIC miner, so definitely recommend you guys mine Horizen. It is a great time to be doing it. Moving to the ecosystem, as I mentioned before, Horizen basically started as a privacy-based blockchain transactional system. So the main purpose of the platform was to send money from A to B, and that could be done whether through regular form or through private addresses. So here you have your Zen for money. Also, they have built one of the first privacy-based Zen chat, which is built into both the wallet and can also be a standalone product. And this can be through one-to-one chat as well as group chats. One of the upcoming products that Zen is offering is going to be ZenHide, which is basically for web traffic, for domain fronting, for censorship, so circumventing censorship that might happen in many countries where they cannot publish, blog, or talk about anything without the government having strict regulations on it. So ZenHide for web traffic is one of the new items that they will be adding to the ecosystem. ZenPub is going to be a media-based publishing platform where documents, data, and media can then be stored within the Horizen ecosystem privately, so that information can be stored similar to the basis of ZenHide for the website. If anybody wants to publish data or maintain specific data that some governments or restrictions or things publicly that you don't want to have out there, private information like your social security number or many medical documentation, or things that you just don't want out there in the public, that can be utilized on the ZenPub platform. And this would be utilizing similar technology as IPFS. As far as the Zen for Money is concerned, there are many wallets that are actually supported by the platform. They have Windows, Mac, an Ubuntu-based one, an Android, Paper, as well as a web wallet. The web address is myzenwallet.io. As of right now, hardware wallets, most are integrated except for Trezor, so hopefully that will be coming soon. Looking into the technology here, you can see the main key points of the project are privacy, security, untraceability, resiliency, and mineability. So Horizen is a privacy-based platform built on zero-knowledge, succinct, non-interactive arguments of knowledge, also known as ZK snarks. And this is a similar protocol that is used by many of the most prominent privacy-based blockchains out there. But Zen is the first cryptocurrency with a fully end-to-end encryption at the node and internode level. So utilizing these secure nodes, that is massive 17,000 plus secure nodes, only need to hold 42 Zen tokens, allowing more people to be included in the network, allowing for a much broader and much more secure system. Untraceability, so all the transactions are shielded and fully encrypted. Resiliency, as far as distributed node system, obviously there was a 51% attack, but they did come up with a solution for the 51% attack that's currently in their testnet right now. And then they talk about the decentralized autonomous organization, the DAO registry, and this is the Treasury model that's going to be included in how the system works, how voting works with the users, how everyone will be included, and the votes are weighted according to stake, and it's not public. People can get actual rewards for voting. There's a lot of great things with a treasury or a voting system within a platform. I'm a big fan of those. So going back to the mineability, as I mentioned with the ASICs and Bitmain, they do want anyone with a GPU to be able to mine Zen. They really want everyone to be able to have an equal chance of being able to mine the platform. So it is Equihash based, and it works very well for GPU mining. Horizen Secure Nodes, as I mentioned before, allowing them to have a fully distributed platform, a very secure platform, is by allowing many users to have a secure node. You only need 42 Zen tokens to have a secure node, and this allows for a huge end-to-end blockchain resilience. As far as secure nodes are concerned, there are system requirements that are needed on top of the 42 Zen, so you can get more information here on their website. You can actually see their secured nodes live and find out more information about it. As I mentioned, there are over 17,000 secure nodes as of right now globally. They also have Supernodes, which actually requires 500 Zen tokens. The Supernodes have much higher system requirements on top of the 500 Zen that you need. And the main reason for that is because they plan to run sidechains off these Supernodes. So the Zen Pub, the Zen Apps, the Zen Grid, moving to the roadmap of the project. So here you can see what they had planned for 2018. Some things that they do plan to have done as far as research and development is concerned is the DAO Treasury Protocol level voting system and the scaling study. These are the two main projects they will be working with IOHK on. The DAO Treasury Protocol level voting system should be done by Q1 2019 latest. And the scaling study is going to be talking with the IOH team about off-chain as well as on-chain solutions and potential to move to a DAG system as opposed to a blockchain-based platform. They do also plan to have the ZenPub protocol level done by 2018, end of year. And then here's the 2019 delivery to market. There are many things that they have. They haven't driven down an actual quarterly release date for these items as of yet. If you want a more in-depth breakdown of their roadmap and their plans for the next couple of months, check out their Trello roadmap. Here you can actually see their team actively working different things for the roadmap, whether it be ideas, things that they're currently working on, things that they need to do, as well as things that have been done. So here you can see things that are done. Obviously, you can go into more detail. So here you see Trezor T integration. They are actually creating a new task for this since there were some issues, it seems, with the Trezor web wallet. So they are going to work with getting the integration from Trezor within the Horizen Vault. So Horizen did publish their bi-weekly update on September 5th, and they talk about the active projects. So as I mentioned before, they're looking to prevent the 51% attack. Right now it is in the testnet. It shows you it's 70%. Then there's also the ASIC resistance research, as I mentioned before, with things like Bitmain. They talk about the side chains, the Treasury, the off-chain challenge, the difficulty algorithm research, as well as the scaling study and the vault. So there's a lot of great things when it comes to what's happening right now with the Horizen team. They talk about the Supernodes. There's almost 2,000 Supernodes, guys. That's insane. They haven't even set up the whole sidechain platform, and there's already a ton of people out there. Then they talk about the research and development with IOHK, the brand expansion objectives, the web store that they have, the upcoming events. A major announcement by Horizen is also the investment trust that's going to be part of Greyscale's newest investment product. So for the past 5 years, Greyscale has actually been working on currency investment vehicles such as the Bitcoin Investment Trust, the ZenCash Investment Trust, Ethereum Classic Investment Trust, and many others. So by building this investment product, they're helping to build and grow the Horizen ecosystem. As I mentioned initially, Horizen and IOHK partnership is one of the things that really kind of interested me into the project and how it was going to work, talking about the DAO Treasury as well as the scalability solution. If you guys want to get more information, check out this YouTube video. It'll give you more information on how the partnership is going to work for the research and development between IOHK and Horizen. And then if you want more information about IOHK, definitely check out iohk.io/about. You can get great information as far as what projects they've worked on, what they're doing, kind of their goals in mind, and what the output of the project is going to be. So to wrap up the project, I think their philosophy page on their website actually kind of sums it up in best words possible, talking about how the end goal of Horizen is really to be autonomous, sustainable, and have a lot of R&D focus. So they're basically implementing a decentralized governance model. So this is the DAO, this is the Treasury. They don't want any central authority or single point of failure. Horizen is looking for more resilience than a traditional corporation. Everyone has the equal opportunity to participate in decision making. They also believe that they're changing the world through technology. They're providing things back to the people, the community, 70% to miners, 10% to one or more of the DAOs, 10% to the secure node operators, 10% to the supernode operators. So they're really looking to make sure that as far as proceeds are concerned from the platform, they're giving it out to the community. They want to focus on research and development. They want to be able to contribute to the broader cryptocurrency ecosystem and body of knowledge. So we have multiple active R&D projects in the pipeline with so many more planned. So as I mentioned before, they started off as a standardized cryptocurrency. Now they have a messenger app. They're looking to be able to publish data. They're looking to be able to help anonymizing web traffic for people who are in censored regions. They are looking to build side chains that utilize these supernodes. So they're trying to make it a lot more broader. They're really understanding where the blockchain community is going. They don't want a standardized cryptocurrency. They want something that they can use for everything that they deal on a day-to-day basis. So I think Horizen definitely has that great goal set in mind. They are definitely on the right track as far as getting to that goal and being able to be the one use case for all cryptocurrency. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification for more videos, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching.